create general arrangement drawing. For that, go to drawing properties, select here general arrangement drawing, then go to here, you will get it presets, select here steel GA 3D view, then load it. Here it is loaded. If you want to change the title, you can change here. Otherwise, apply and click OK. Next, go to the create drawing, select here general arrangement. Now we need to create this 3D view. Select here this isometric view, then go to create. Within few seconds, this drawing will create. Now the drawing is created. If you go to the document manager, then go to select this GA drawing, you can see here 3D view what we created. Now I just close this one. Again go to drawing properties, then select here GA drawing. Now I select here foundation plan view, select this foundation plan, then go to load, then apply and click OK. Now I just go to create drawing, select here GA drawing, then go to here foundation plan at elevation 0. Now go to create. Within few seconds, this drawing also will create. Now the drawing is created. If you go to the document manager, you can see the foundation plan view drawing. Now I just go to drawing properties, select here GA drawing, select here elevation, GA elevation, then go to load it. Here we are going to create grid view, then apply and click OK. We need to load it, that is very important. Once you go to general drawing, you have to load it, that is very important. Then only you will get it all the properties. Already we loaded and we changed this title also. Then go to create drawing, select here GA drawing. Now I select here grid A. If you want more grid, you have to create in one drawing, press Ctrl and you have to select like this. So if you select like this, these three grid drawing will create in one drawing, single drawing, this three view will create. Now I select only one this grid A, then I go to the create. Within few seconds, this drawing also will create. This drawing also created. If you go to the document manager, you can see here all the drawings. By clicking here, you will get it this mark and all as per order. First one 3D view, double click this drawing will open. So now the drawing is open. I just close this one, cancel this one. You can see this drawing is coming like this, but it is bigger than this drawing sheet. I just double click this one, you will get it this drawing properties. Here it is view properties. In this view, this properties. Now just go here, change this scale 100 or just make it 110, then modify, click OK. You can see the drawing. By clicking this drawing, simply drag and drop it inside. So this drawing is perfectly, it is created. Now you can double click this view, you will get it the view properties. You can go to the label. If you want to change this title and all, you can go here, you can change the name. Now I just modify, remove this one. Then if you want to make text, I just make it here text, remove this one. Next go to the text, I just make it here 3D view and click OK. Then modify, here it is modified. If you want to change this one, select this text, change here color, which color you want, you can change here text and all. If you go here, you will get it the font, which font you want, you can select that one, and I just place it like this. Similar way, this all the things. Here it is mark, if you want mark, and if you want to change this object which color you want, everything you can decide here. But I am not going to change anything, just click OK. So this is 3D drawing. Now I just save this one. If I need to go to the next drawing, click here, it will go to the next drawing. Within few seconds this drawing also will open. Here this drawing also open. You can see here this is the foundation drawing. Now you can see this drawing also, it is not accommodate properly inside this drawing sheet. Just double click this view, then go to the view properties. I just make it here scale 100 scale, then modify, and once you finish the modification, then you can click OK. Then click OK. Now you can see here, select this one, so I click this border and just place it like this. Just click and drag and drop it inside. Now you can see this dimension is coming outside. Just click this dimension, you can drag and drop it. Similar way you can place it this also inside. Now it is placed. You can little bit also arrange like this. Now you can see here, you will get it like this text. This is the mark number. This is mark for this location. You will get it what is the beam and what is the things, everything you will get it, what is the base plate, everything you will get it here. But if you don't want this one, you can simply click that one and you can delete it. We don't want any mark number here. It is foundation. You can delete it. Or if you need to change, you can double click this one. You can change here how you require. Then you can see here it is coming like this. You can make this one, you can see it will come like this. Or if you change this one, you can flexible, you can make like this. So which style you want, you can make this one. And here it is foundation drawing, and dimension everything is there. Using, if you go to here dimension, you can make here horizontal and vertical dimension, everything you can make it here. Then if you go to the annotation, you will get it here text and all, you can use the text and all. Then if you go here, you can see here level mark, weld mark, section mark, like that you can do. Here it is view. In that view you can create detail and section view, everything you want you can do. If you need any separate details, you can select that one, you can do it. You can see here all the things, you will get it perfectly. Then you will get it here grid naming, everything you will get it here like this. See here the grid naming, everything is coming like this. Now you can see here this grid naming flash here. Now you can double click this one, double click this grid. If you want to change this grid label location, just make it like this, and here it is created. Here you can see here it created. But if you don't want this side, you can double click this one, just make it modify. Here it is, you will get it here. So like that you can change. Then that properties, everything you can change here if you want. Now I just close this drawing, save this one, and I go to the drawing, select this next drawing. So now the grid view drawing will open. Now the drawing is open. You can see here this is the drawing, but you can see a lot of marking, everything is coming. Now I select this view, then double click here. I just change here 200 and 200, then modify. You will get it this 200 depth only, you will get it the object. Now you can see this one is very clear, we don't have any other sheet and all. You will get it all the structures, everything. Now again double click here. If you want to change the part color, just go to the part, then go to the appearance. Now I just change here color this black, then hidden I just change to red. I change here, this is reference line also I place it in red, then I modify. Now you will get it like this. You can see here which is coming hidden line. The hidden lines are not showing. You can see here few hidden lines, it's not showing. Now I just go to here, select here this one, you will get it all the hidden lines. Now you can see you will get it lot of hidden lines. So this is the view. Now I click OK. If you need to increase the scale, you can increase the scale, but we don't want to increase. Now just place it like this, dimensions. Then you will get it all the marking and all like this. If you don't want the marking, you can simply select and just delete it like that. Select and delete it, all the marking will disappear. Now you can place it the dimensions and all, and here also you can place it. Then you can see this is the grid. You can select all the grid like this, press alt and you can select like this. You can place it like this. Then if you don't want like this level, you can double click this one, you can remove the level and modify. If you want to show this one below, you can click here, you will get the grid label below. So then if you need to mark level, just go to annotation, select here level mark. You can click here and place it here, you will get it like this. If you need to make el dot like that, if you need to make any prefix text, you can make like this. Again go to level. Now I just click here, you can make level here like this. Then the next level also you can make like this, like that. You can create all the levels and all. If you need special section and all, just go to the view, you can create here section. Just click here, click the first point, click the next point, create the area, and I click here. So now you can see here the section view, you will get it. Select this one. By clicking here, you can increase this area. So now you can see here your section, you will get it. In that, if you want, you can select this one, double click, you will get it the properties. In that properties, you can change the mark and you will get it the objects, part bold, everything you can change here. Here it is detail. If you want to take any detail, you can use this one and you can create the detail. See here it is coming little big. You can double click this one, you can make this one like this. You can see it is coming like this. Then if you want to change this name, I just change here B, then modify, here it is changed. If you change the B, here also will change automatically. So this is very useful. You can create any drawings like this. Then if you want to make, this is general arrangement drawing. So general arrangement drawing, definitely you have to show assembly number. So select this one, you can go to add mark number, you can use view properties or applied mark properties, anyone you can use it. This is applied mark properties. This is H1 means this is our part number, but we need it assembly number. So select this one, use view properties, this is view properties. So this is CL1, this is the assembly number. If you want to show this profile size, so select this one, select here profile, then modify, you will get it the profile size. If you need to make this one below, just go here, select this one, then make it move up, then modify, you will get it like this. Then click OK. If you want to make another things also, just select this one, and select here beam, and select here post column, like that. Everything you can select, or you can together everything you can select and right click, add mark, view properties, here it is created. If you need it same like this, select this one, select this and modify, you will get it like this. If it is not moving like this, just go here, you can select this one only, and if you modify, you can move like this. Just click and drag and drop it wherever you want. Press shift and click and drag means it will together, it will drag. So now this is the way you can create all the assembly number here. Definitely you need to make assembly number in general arrangement drawing. All the assembly number you have to make it, including rafter and purlin, everything. Then if you want to make these dimensions, you can make this one very easily. Just go to the dimension, select here vertical, click this point and click here, then press the mouse enter button, here it is placed. Place it like this. Select this one, right click, add dimension point. Wherever you want dimension point, you can click the location, it will add. if you see here, we placed wrongly, we need to place this above. So press shift in your keyboard, then click here, it will remove the dimension point. So now all the dimension point we placed. Now I just click here also. You can see here most of the dimensions are same. So you can combine dimension also, you can give, just double click this dimension, you will get it this dimension properties. In that you can go here, combine equal dimension. You will get it here three method. One is off, next one is like this, next one is like this. If you modify, you can see here all the equal same dimension, it will combine like this. If you don't want, you can make it switch off. Just select this dimension, that is very important, then modify. You will get it like this. So which one you want, you can select here. This is the dimension properties, this is the appearance, and this is total properties, which color, text, that things you will get it here. If I change here this color, you will get it like this. If you want to save these dimensions properties, you can save with your name also. I just make it here DIM, and here it is saved. Now if you go to select any dimension, and if you want to change that dimension property, select this one, load it, then modify, you will get it the same properties what we created here. Then similar way you can create the text also. If you go to this annotation, you will get it here, text. You can just click here, you can create the text, normal text you can create. Double click this one, you will get it the text properties. In that here you can make the text. These are the thing properties, color, font, the location, everything you can change here. Here it is frame, everything is here. Then here it is drawing sheet. You can see here few information available, and in this title, if you given the title, you will get it, and like that few information. This is a Tekla default template. This one you can use it, but if you need any templates and all, please go to Tekla Structure 2020 course. In that I given detailed lecture about template and all. So this is the way to create general arrangement drawing.